It's been determined that radioactive decay is a first-order process. So what does that mean? Well, it means that we can actually apply our knowledge of first-order kinetics to problem solving. What can we solve for? We can solve for a few different things. First, we could solve for rate constant. We could also solve for the initial amount of our radioactive sample. Well, if we can solve for the initial amount, we could probably solve for the remaining amount after the interval of decay, right? What else? We could also solve for the amount of radioactive isotope. And if we can solve for that, well, then we can also solve for the half-life of the radioactive isotope. Now, for this next segment, we're going to end up using this formula. Rate of reaction equals a constant times the concentration of reactants. But we got to go a little bit deeper here. The rate of reaction is also another way that it's referenced in a lot